Yep, hello everyone and welcome back to my fourth video of solving Excel problem. I've already downloaded the next question from the last I have solved, which is the number three question. Right now is number 5. And let's go forward to the question. Okay, so in here the question title is the admin for the for the train ticket. Admin for the train ticket. So basically, it's like a frontier of the train administration. Number 1, the class. Okay, got it. So in here, we can use the function of lookup, which is like horizontal lookup, and the lookup value is the left of the D number 6, num chart is 3. Table array, we should reference to the main table, and we should lock it. The row index num is number 2 because the value that we want to show, or we want to make it appear in the table, is exactly number 2, which is the class economy, business, and executive, right? So number 2. And range lookup, it means like we want to make the appropriate or the exactly match or not match. So it false, it means like appropriate. Okay, it's already answered, and then we just dropping down. Okay, it's already solved. Next, number 2, the type of the ticket, reference to the 4 of the code in ticket, and get the data from the ticket type. Okay, got it. So we can use the vertical lookup or V lookup, which is used to make a reference for the table that have like a vertical flow or vertical direction. Yeah, exactly. So the lookup value will be the right of the D number 6. It means we get the last character from the D number 6 text. The D number 6 number chart is 1 because we want just to get like the D, the E, like for the last character, which is number 4 character, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a D, A, D, L, D, L, like that. Table array, we should reference to the vertical table, and then just don't forget to lock it with the F4 in the keyboard, like above the number 4 and number 5 in your keyboard. And call index num means like what value that we want to appearing in our table. Exactly number 2 because we want to show, or we want to make it result as this, like a type Genesis ticket, right? Number 2, range lookup 0. Exactly. We just drop down. Got it. And now is the price ticket price. I should read the instruction. The price reference to the type of the ticket and class that selected. Okay. So I have to use the reference of the type of the ticket, which is dewasa, anak, atau lansia, and then the class of the ticket as well. So in here, we should use this table, range table, and then it's like we have to use rather like a vertical lookup or VLOOKUP or index, and then I can mix it with and match, index match. But I will look up the question first. So I think in here we can use the horizontal lookup rather than VLOOKUP, because there is a short term or short way to do or to solve this problem. You can just HLOOKUP, and then we should like the first one we have to do is to look up or make a reference of the class. Lookup value is this one, and then table array. We should use all of this in here, and then don't forget to lock it with F4. At the row index in here, I want to make it, or I want to mix or combining HLOOKUP with the match function, which is to make sure that the value that I reference exactly match with what I wanted to show in the table. So match lookup value is the type of the ticket atau jenis tiket, and the lookup array is exactly the type ticket in the source table. Don't forget to lock it with the F4. Match type is exactly 0, and here, so okay, I will try this first. I don't want to add something new, and then we have to look up the economy, and then the dewasa itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa, lupa lagi. Dewasa. Translate. Dewasa. Lupa lagi bahasa Inggrisnya. I forgot the English for the dewasa. Okay. Dewasa economy is 15. So I think here I have to put like another combination, which is to do like the mathematic or the arithmetic, because in here this result like how to explain this. So instead of showing the exactly matched value, which is 75,000, but in here he just stuck in the 15,000 in here economy, and that is mistake. So I should use the plus function. I think it's right here. It's exactly match. So dewasa economy 75, okay, and then executive for the child, which is have to 100,000. Exactly. Okay, got it. Right now the discount 10% from the ticket price for the keberangkatan sebelum tanggal 1 September. Okay. If the keberangkatannya apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya lupa lagi. Aboarding, I don't know. The aboarding keberangkatan is less than 1 September 2023. So 1 September, maybe the date. I have to use the date function, which is to show or to make it like exactly like a date. The year is 2023, match with the what they wanted to show. 2023 September is 10th, and then the day is 1. If the date is less than 1 September 2023, the customer will get the 10% off of the discount. So 0.1, and if false, exactly no, there's no discount. Oh, from the ticket price. Okay. G6 times by 10%. Should we? September itu bulan. Oh, sorry. September 9. Sorry. Should be 9. What? Oh, 0.01. So if the date is less than that's 1, 10, 23. What? Less than date 2023, month 9, day 1, 1, 0. The price of the ticket is 6 times by 0.01. No, 0.1. 0.10. No, 0.1 is 100%. Zero 0.1. Yeah, I think so. So the price will be ticket minus the discount. Okay, let's check it out. I want to check it. My answer. Hopefully all of them correct, right? So my name, the code, and then the answer. Hi, exactly. Got it, guys. Okay. Interesting. How long is it already? Has it been 10 minutes? 14 minutes. So I think it's enough. I want to make it another video. So in each video, I just want to solve like one problem each, because I want to do consistently. I want to do it like consistent, because that is like what it takes. Like it's so hard to become like consistent in something. So I want to make the other recording. So anyways, that is for the 4th video. Nice. So